Welcome to the channel, everyone. Today, we're diving into one of the most iconic performance sedans out there, the 2025 BMW M3 competition. If you're a fan of raw power, precision engineering, and that signature BMW driving experience, you're going to want to stick around for this one. Right off the bat, the 2025 M3 competition doesn't just turn heads, it demands attention. BMW has taken an already aggressive design and given it just the right touches of modernity and muscle. The front fascia is bold, with that large kidney grille still sparking debate, but honestly, it's grown into the design. Sleek LED headlights, sculpted lines, and a widened stance make this car look fast even when it's standing still. Under the hood, this beast is powered by a 3.0-liter twin-turbo inline-six engine. In the competition trim, you're looking at a jaw-dropping 503 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque. That means 0 to 60 in just about 3.4 seconds. Whether you're launching from a standstill or overtaking on the highway, the power delivery is smooth, instant, and seriously addictive. One of the biggest highlights of the M3 competition is the xDrive all-wheel drive system. While purists may miss the rear-wheel drive exclusivity, there's no denying the added traction makes this car even more capable, especially when you want to push it hard around corners or drive it year-round. And yes, you can still send most of that power to the rear wheels with the right settings. Inside the cabin, BMW continues to blend luxury with a driver-focused layout. You've got the latest curved dual-screen setup, a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster paired with a 14.9-inch infotainment touchscreen running BMW's iDrive 8.5 system. It's crisp, responsive, and full of features. The carbon fiber accents, available M-carbon bucket seats, and ambient lighting give it that race-inspired edge while still feeling refined enough for daily driving. Driving dynamics. This is where the M3 shines. The steering is sharp, responsive, and gives you real feedback. Adaptive suspension adjusts to your mood, whether you're cruising in comfort mode or carving up the back roads in Sport Plus. And the exhaust note, pure music, especially when you tap into the higher rev range. It's loud, it's raw, and it reminds you this is not just any sedan, this is an M car. Tech-wise, you've got everything from wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto to advanced driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system. BMW isn't just giving you performance, it's wrapping it in a smart, connected package. So, if you're looking for a car that gives you the thrill of a sports car, the practicality of a sedan, and the prestige of the BMW M badge, the 2025 M3 competition is hard to beat. Let me know what you think in the comments. Would you take this over its rivals like the Audi RS5 or Mercedes-AMG C63? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more car content. Catch you in the next one.